Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your jump seat in your 2008 F150 for a standard center console. Alright, so first you have your two 15mm bolts here on the bottom and the front. Alright, next you have two more 15mm bolts that are hidden behind this little pad here. You don't need to remove the seat, but you can by lifting up here and removing the front little clip, and then it rocks out. You can feel the bolts with your hand if you reach your hand down in here, or you just send a socket in there and get it out. So once you get these two rear bolts out, you have to unplug this little connector here just for the cigarette lighter, and then your jump seat is out. So the first thing you need to do is plug in your new cigarette lighter, and then flip this down, get it somewhat lined up. And it's easier to pop this out to see the front holes. They don't line up half bad. So then your back two holes here line up with where the other console set. And then if you take this cup out, or the cup holder out, you can see the 2 bolt holes down there. These bolt holes are also accessible from the center part if you lift it up. It's just easier to see when the cup holder's not in there. All right, and there we go. We have the full center console installed. Those 415 mils. It's really sturdy. Pretty simple. Only took me 20 minutes, even fighting with some rusty up north bolts.